Hey y'all, my name is Chris Wilkinson and I'm here with the Comp Performance Group right here in Memphis, Tennessee. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing, taking a closer look at the fast Firewire cut-to-fit spark plug wires and showing you why you'd choose these over your normal GMLS wires. To start off, what is the purpose of a spark plug wire that you can cut to a specific length? Well, when you're going to a remote mount coil pack setup or want that professional look for your custom LS build, these allow you to choose the most optimal routing for your application. Plus, just like our original Firewire Spark Plug wires, these feature a 9mm high-temp silicone wire with 15 ohms per foot resistance for maximum spark energy and a reactive core design to prevent electromagnetic interference. Also, these feature fiberglass braided sleeves to prevent heat from melting your spark plug wires in high heat applications. Now, let's take a look inside and see what makes these Firewire cut-to-fit spark plug wires special. So, when you open your box, what you're going to see is your spark plug wires with the coil boot already attached. You'll also have your spark plug boots themselves, which come in either a 90-degree or 135-degree orientation. We have the 135-degree here. We have your terminals, which complete the spark plug wire, your heat shrink, which seals everything up, and your fiberglass braided sleeves to keep everything from melting. To install the fast Firewire cut-to-fit spark plug wires, what you need to do is determine the final location of your coil packs. From there, run your wires from your coil packs to your spark plugs to determine the length you need. After that, simply cut the wire, attach the terminal, put on the spark plug boot end, and put the heat shrink over it to keep everything sealed. From there, you're ready to go. If you have any questions about our fast Firewire cut-to-fit spark plug wires or any other fast or Comp Performance Group product, comment below. And don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms listed in the description. We'll see you next time.